India has successfully conducted a test of its K-4 nuclear-capable submarine-launched ballistic missile from the newly commissioned INS Arighat. The K-4 missile has a range of 3,500 kilometers, allowing it to strike deep into adversarial territories including regions within China and Pakistan. Several U.S. air bases in the United Kingdom have reported repeated incursions by unidentified drones, raising significant concerns among military and political leaders. While the incidents have not directly impacted base infrastructure or local residents, but they pose a serious security risk. In response, fighter aircraft have been deployed to intercept the drones. The French military is discussing the development of its own intermediate-range ballistic missile in view of its effectiveness in the Russian-Ukrainian war. According to journalists, France is studying the development of an army tactical missile system with a range of over 1,000 kilometers. Turkey Minister of National Defense Yasar Güler recently confirmed that the Turkish armed forces will begin receiving the first serially produced Altay main battle tanks by the end of 2025. Equipped with a 12.7 mm heavy machine, it features advanced composite armor that enhances its survivability on the battlefield.